Hi, I am Saurabh. I study in 6th A and welcome to my class. These are our rules. These are from 3rd and 4th and 5th because that time we only know Hindi or the language we speak at home. Because after that Didi has put this chart. There are rules what we want to do and what will improve ourselves in daily life. These are the quotes given by big people and in one word it is lots of meaning in one word, and it is put in by Didi because of there are many of them who are lower level in our class, and if they will read this and they are trying to improve in that level after reading this. This quote I love because it shows us confidence and give us enthusiastic to do any job or work. These pictures are written by my classmates, and they have wrote the different things they want to improve on, and they are trying their best to improve that. This is my chart goal, and I have written about my RC goal because in English I am in low, in Maths I am in high, but in RC I want to improve more. Till I reach 7th standard, I want to reach 5.5, and all the students who have put here charts and their vision, they also want to improve and reach their goal, how much they have put. These are the news, what happened all in Gaza and different places, and these news are spread all over the world, and this half of them came in newspaper, and some of them cut it and put it here, and our class read it when it was put in, and after reading Didi asked question what was there in this, and the Gaza one, it was the terrorist attack on Gaza. Because of that many of them died, and and this came in newspaper because a guy called Irshad put it here, stick it here. These charts are of adjective and all the verbs and RC, and these are put in by Didi for learning them and using new words of them, and everyone in class reads it and use the words. That's my favorite chart, magic words, because in that there are words what we should use in everyday life. This chart is when we get angry on someone in class or outside class or anywhere where our surrounding is, and this chart is using to control our anger and not get angry very quickly. This is the chart of groups. This is put in by Didi for the people who didn't work in group. Means they didn't want to work in group, they want to work alone. And if they didn't want to work in group, then someone in class tell the boy or girl to look at this chart and read it once. If they want, after reading this chart, if they want, then it's okay to work in group, but if they didn't want, then it's their choice. And this chart is about when we work together, the work finished quickly, but when we work alone, it didn't finish quickly, and it looks hard for us.